When thinking about our senior design project, we wanted to do something that would create a lasting impact on the Penn community. We decided to focus on improving the mobility and safety of the student body. We conducted a survey of 160 Penn students, and the results we found were quite surprising. 72% of Penn students have never taken Penn Transit more than once. When asked why, 71% responded that they did not know the schedules or stops, and 49% said they weren't even aware that these options existed. Our unique solution aims to do two things: optimize information retrieval and create a continuous feedback loop. In this way, we can increase ridership as well as improve the system overall. To ride the Penn bus today, a student would need to look up the schedules for each of the fixed route options, use Google Maps to find the location of the stops, and pull up double maps to live track the bus. If the student isn't sure how the system works, this can be even more confusing and lead them to avoid using the bus altogether. PennGo integrates all of these options, allowing the student to get from point A to point B with just one application. When you open the app, you are informed that all transit options recommended are free for Penn students with a Penn card. Click Where To, and you can begin your journey. You can choose what time of day you would like to travel so that you can not only get directions now, but plan routes for the future and get to your destination at the desired time. The start and end location text boxes use Google Place's autocomplete drop-down menus, making the app user-friendly and helping you find your location and address easier. Next, the app will output a ranked list of Penn-affiliated transportation routes that you can take. The 3 fixed routes included in our app are Penn Bus East, West, and Drexel Dragon. The routes are ranked by the earliest arrival time, which is displayed to the left. The list also includes what time you should depart your current location in order to catch the bus, as well as a brief overview of the number of minutes you will spend walking and riding the bus. In addition to the fixed routes, Penn Transit offers several on-demand options. By clicking the link, you are redirected to Penn Transit's website, which has more information about their app, Penn Rides on Request, which you can use to order an on-demand shuttle. Selecting one of the different ranked route options allows you to see more detailed directions about taking that route. It details walking directions and the address of your entrance stop, the expected arrival time of the bus, how many stops you should ride the bus for, as well as which stop to exit, and finally your expected walking to your final destination. Additionally, the directions can be seen on the map, with walking directions in red and the bus route shown in blue. To get more detailed information about the bus's exact arrival time, you can click on the Schedules tab and watch the buses in real time. Clicking on any stop allows you to see the expected number of minutes until the next bus will arrive. The second part of our project aims to create a continuous line of communication between the users of the system and those who design it, Penn Transit, in order to create the best system possible for the Penn community. On the Feedback tab, you can input a route that you would like to see Penn Transit offer. You can input a starting location and ending location and details, such as the time of day. Those suggested routes are stored in Firebase. Then, using an algorithm that we created in Python, we can cluster suggested routes and return a visualization of the most popular routes that Penn students would like to see. We can use those suggested routes to add incremental stops to existing Penn-affiliated transit options or add new routes altogether. Overall, this will help increase ridership by providing a system that meets the needs of the community that it serves. While Penn does not take detailed statistics of their ridership, they do take overall statistics by the number of riders. We hope to see an increase in the overall users of the system by the end of the semester and continuing on into the future semesters. From our end, we have seen success from the 60-plus students who have been beta testing and using our application. Additionally, we have heard overwhelmingly positive feedback from our peers and the student body, who are shocked that this application did not already exist and are excited that they now have the opportunity and means of understanding how to use the system. We are PennGo. Thank you.